Hello all, welcome to our channel. So I'm selecting for one of the best page for FitMom Vani. So they will providing for fitness training for without exercise how to lose weight. So in this particular posting will be how you can posting the content will be into the video on my Facebook and Instagram option. So first of all making the video. This is the first of all making video will be here and business lead purpose, we have two options. Get WhatsApp message and get message will be here. Check with the WhatsApp message and click for post option. Who are looking for a post, they immediate call your particular Facebook page. Next will be go to Instagram, create here, select your post option. What are the video you selected here? The post will be selected in this option. Here is a select your video will be original and select your proper thumbnail and click for share on your post will be into Instagram. So this is the method we can post your content and video. Facebook, Instagram will be separately. This will be effective for this who are looking for particular things. They will be send the WhatsApp message, and this will be direct. We can reach the customer by reach by the video option. So these two steps we can follow it. The videos by contacting through Facebook is the WhatsApp option